Today we're diving into the UHPPOTE 1500 pounds holding force electric magnetic door lock, designed to be a robust solution for single door access control. This electromagnet lock boasts a collinear load test of 750 kilograms or 1,500 pounds, ensuring reliable performance under significant pressure. It operates on dual voltage, accommodating both 12V and 24V DC systems, adding flexibility to its usability. A built-in LED indicator clearly displays the door status, enhancing user convenience. Crafted from durable zinc material, this lock incorporates an innovative lock status sensor with options for NO, normally open, NC, normally closed, and COM, common configurations. This feature allows seamless integration into various access control setups, ensuring compatibility with different security protocols. Moreover, its anti-residual magnetism design prevents lingering magnetic forces that could affect operation or security. The UHPPOTE lock is hailed for its keyless operation, ideal for modern security applications where convenience meets stringent safety requirements. Its dimensions, 11 by 3.2 by 1.8 inches, make it suitable for various door types without compromising on strength or reliability. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or installing new access controls, the UHPPOTE 1500 pounds holding force electric magnetic door lock stands out as a dependable choice, promising durability, ease of use, and enhanced security for your premises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.